Start by removing the dome light cover, and then remove the middle factory bulb. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove the screws. Once the screws are removed, take the dome light cover off. Make sure to unplug it. Remove the metal backing of the other two factory bulbs. Take them out and then replace them with your new Putco LED lights by placing the brackets into the socket. Plug the dome light back in, and then put it back in its place by screwing it in. Replace the middle factory bulb with your new Putco LED light. Put the cover back on and repeat these steps with your other dome light. Congratulations, you've just installed your new Putco LED dome lights. Enjoy.